So the student, in the last lecture, we studied about some definition and the concept of the polynomial. We take the two types of polynomial, depend on the term and they depend on the power. Their name also different. If the polynomial is depend on their term, it's known as a monomial, binomial, and trinomial. If the polynomial is depend on its power, it's known as a linear, quadratic, and cubic. So I think this that will be discussed before this lecture. So today we will start. And this material provided on your Google Class. So take a note and write down in your notebooks. With definition with all examples. So we discussed these three type of polynomial. And their examples. We also checking the following term, that is polynomial, and which type of polynomial. That polynomial depend on the term. Now the meaning of the degree, that is the highest power of the variable of the given polynomial. That highest power is known as a degree. If the degree is 0 of the polynomial, it's known as a constant. If the degree is 1, it's known as a linear. Degree is 2, it's known as a quadratic. If the degree of the polynomial is 3, then it's known as a cubic. So there are some examples. So previous lectures we stopped here. Now we start with the next topic. Today we take addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the polynomial. So how could we add two polynomials, subtract, multiply and divide? There are some rules. And again, you don't need to write anything. I will provide all on your Google Classroom. So today we'll start with this topic. Its name is addition and subtraction of the polynomials. Let's start. How could we add and subtract two polynomials? Look at the screen. They are the polynomial. It is not a one variable polynomial. They are the many variable polynomial. And how can we add this top polynomial? We have three polynomial that is depend on the question. Addition just means follow the numericals, algebraic quantities like a तो देखो बच्चों इस दो का हम एडिशन कैसे करेंगे आई थिंक आप लोगों का ट्यूटोरियल चल गया है इसलिए आपको आसानी रहेगी हाउ कुड वी एड टू पॉलिनोमियल just put the plus between all term look at your screen here are the three term this is the first one the all the term is connect with the comma I want to take aid of these three polynomial and your answer will be first of all put the plus sign between all of these and that is 5x plus 3y. The first polynomial add with second polynomial. And the last one 2z. So meaning of that, we just addition, take the plus between all of us. Now open the bracket. We open this full bracket. This is z. Now look at the sign. The sign will be changed. Plus minus will be minus. Minus 3x plus plus, it is plus. And last 2z. We can add the same variable term. This term phi x have a variable x. So first collect the like term and add it. So liking term is phi x plus 4x minus 3x. So what happen if 5 plus 4 minus 3 taking? So 5 plus 4, 9, 9 minus 36x. Again check the another liking term whose coefficient are same. Sorry, whose variable are same. So taking 3y minus 4 and 5y. Take that. So 3 minus 4, it is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5, it's a 4. So this is give you the 4y. What is the value of z here? The two remaining term whose same variable, and that variable is z. This is z with add this z, it will be a 2 plus 3, it is 3z. And this is your addition. Simply we add two term or three term, taking the simple addition. We can add the liking term whose variable are same. That term will be add in between, take add and subtract depend on their sign. So the student करना क्या है, आपको सेम वेरिएबल वाले टर्म को उठा के एक साथ कलेक्ट करने हैं और उसका एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन लेना है. So same manners is from the subtraction. Could you tell me the answer of the fourth number? Anyone? How could we add? Fourth answer, answer the fourth, the addition of these two polynomials. Anyone knows? If you not type, then tell me, okay? It is allowed to you. How could we add these two polynomials? Taking the sum of the same variable, liking term.
Sir, madam.
Yes, yes.
Good morning.
Very good morning.
You just you do first. You open the brackets. You arrange
Yes.
the polynomials.
Yes. So I've opened the bracket.
Yes.
Now what happened now? Next step is what?
Next step, you are dealing with powers.
Right. We adding the lacking power whose power are same. I can add this two term or more than two term. So x cube, taking the x cube plus x cube, it is 3x cube plus 6x cube, it is a 9x cube. Then what is the next step of it?
After that, you start checking the x's. You arrange according to the.
And then what is the answer? Any others? First is 9
9x
plus
cube plus 3x plus 2.
okay, right. It is 9x cube plus 3x plus 9 and minus 7. It is plus 2. So this is your addition between two polynomials. Simply you have a number taking the same variable. The liking term will be added. Non-liking term remaining as it is. Okay, student? Clear? Let's we take the subtract. How could we subtract the two polynomials? Addition, that when we can add. Multiplication, that can we multiply these two terms. Now the subtract. Here you don't need to write. I provide you all things with answer. So look at the question first of all. Subtraction from this one 5 2x 2x minus 5 minus 3z then so on. I will give one more example to understand this question better. Subtraction between these two polynomials. Look at your screen. If I have a something like this, it is x cube 9x minus 5 minus 2x x square 3x cube plus 5. This is your question. Here I put the minus sign, so you don't need to write anything. So answer said, first of all, open the bracket. So I can write this term as it is x cube 9x minus 5. Now I open this bracket, second bracket, the sign, look at the sign. Sign is minus, that means all the term will change their sign. The plus term become minus and minus term is written like a positive term. So first of all, if you have a minus term, minus number, you just change the sign of every number. So 2x become minus 2x. Positive x square become minus x square. And here minus minus plus. And this is minus 5. Now simple, this is a single string. Now we can add the liking term and non-liking term remaining as it is. So first of all, start with the highest power. And your highest power is 3. This is 3. So checking the both are positive, take addition. X cube plus 3x square, that is 4x cube. One less power, and that is x square. You find another term. There is no another term. So x square as it is. So on, removing again one negative term. And that was 9x, 2x, and both are negative. Minus minus plus. 9 minus 2, it is 11x. And last but not the least, constant number. And the constant is this minus 5 and minus minus plus, it is minus 10. Could you get? Very good. The many students gave the answer before me. Very good. Impressive. Now tell me the answer of the last question, because we practice the more question in tutorial. I just give you the highlight. Tell me the answer of these two questions. What happened when I put the minus between these two brackets? Tell me the answer. Direct answer. Okay, not the step.
મેમ 2x સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 4x પ્લસ 7 આવે ફર્સ્ટમાં
આવે કે
2x
આવશે?
સ્ક્વેર નો આવે.
શ્યોર શ્યોર
2x
શ્યોર
square
આન્સર
નો.
આપવાનો. So the question on your screen, look it and slow down, then write the answer. So Aishwarya said, what she said?
मैम
Hello, student. I'm audible.
यस मैम
Okay. So first of all, change the open the bracket. That's mean if the any bracket multiply by minus numbers, so their sign will be changed. So plus term become minus and minus term become plus. So this is happened. Now at the lacking term whose variable are same. The first x cube, there is no other term. So same as it is. Similarly, they turn to the x variable. These are the two x variable. Minus x minus 2, it is minus 3x plus 3 minus 3 plus 6. And this is your answer. Okay, understand? Any question, any doubt? How could we add and subtract two polynomial and more than two? The more practice in your tutorial class. Let's move on to other topic, and that is a multiplication between two polynomial. This is a simplification. How could we add and how could we subtract this polynomial? But don't go by this method. It is really tough because arranging the number is hard to do. Otherwise, it's okay, no problem. If you're comfortable to write this type of term, it's okay, no problem. The second term is a product. How could we product two polynomial? And these are the best example of polynomial. Look at here. If you have a term like a ABCD, so first of all, pick up this bracket. This first A multiply by this bracket fully. A is multiplied by C plus D. Similarly, the next term also multiply by this bracket plus B is multiplied by C plus D. And open the bracket. ABCD is a number and polynomial both. So it is A into C, it is AC. This A multiplied by full bracket and it will be look like a is multiplied by C plus D, it is AC plus AD. And similarly, B is multiplied by this one, it become BC plus BD. These are the general rule. How could we add it? How could we product two polynomial? But in this polynomial, you remember this thing. This is a formula. Of your indices chapter, semester 1. The first one, you have a two variable which have a different power, and the product between this variable, it's give the addition. For examples, you have x square into x raised to 6. So it gives you x2 plus 6, that is x raised to 8. These formula are very important to you. Second one, it's again help to you. If you have any power in the negative form, x raised to minus. it is written like a positive, or the minus power in the denominator. It is written like a positive power in upper form. For examples, x raised to minus 2 are similar x square, 1 upon x square, or 1 upon x raised to minus 3 is similar to x cube. If the power is positive in denominator, it is written in the numerator negative form. If the power is negative in denominator, it is written positive in denominator to numerator. So this is a two rule to add, to multiply two polynomials. So these two are very important. Please remember it. First addition and the second changing powers. So let's take one example to more understand the product. Look at here. I have a two polynomial and I want to product it. It is 2x minus 3 and second polynomial is x cube 4x minus 2. Okay. And the answer is first, starting with this 2. This 2 multiplied by this full bracket. So open 2x is multiplied by x cube 4x minus 2. Similarly, move on the second term, and their second term it is minus 3. Now this minus 3 again multiply by this bracket. So what happened here? Minus 3 multiplied by this bracket, and this is written like this way. Now I want to open this bracket. So this 2x multiplied by each and every term of bracket and minus 3 again multiplied by this bracket. Here we can use this property. X raised to m into x raised to n, it gives to x raised to m plus 1. Two term, two variable with another different power, and that power will be that power at each other. So 2x multiplied by 3x is what? I just give you the simple time, one time, it is x cube. This 2x multiplied by x cube, it will be a 2 x to the power 1. So x raised to 4. That I can write like this way. So this is 2x 4. What happened? The next term is, चलो बच्चों अब next term क्या बनेगी? 2x is multiplied by minus 4x. What happened? Anyone?
Minus 8x raised to 2.
Minus, right? 8x square. X into x, it is x square. Move on. चलो अब आगे बढ़ो. Next term is what?
Minus 4x.
Right, it is minus 4x. Now tell me, other student, if I multiply by this bracket by minus 3, what happened? Anyone try?
Minus 3x cube.
Right, it is minus 3x cube. The next one?
Plus 12x.
Plus 12x.
Right, right. Minus minus plus, it is plus 12x.
Plus
And
6.
plus 6. Good. Now add the liking term and subtract So x raised to 4, it's no other term remaining as it is. Moving on the next power, it is x cube. We can't find other form of x cube, so remaining as it is. Again, 8x cube similarly as it is, but these two terms have a same variable. So I can take the add and subtract depending on their sign. And one term is positive, second is negative. 12 minus 4, it is plus 8x. And the constant is a single term, so it is written like it. So the Gujarati, Hindi and other student, do you understand what I'm?
Yes, ma'am.
All the student, if you have any query about the addition, subtraction and the multiplication, then tell me. Okay. So the one example, only the one example to you, just tell me the answer. This is the last example of the product, the practicing and tutorial class. Tell me x square x plus 3 into 2x plus 5 into set product. Okay, you have a 5 minutes to solve it, not a more time. So firstly, open the 1 by 1 bracket, give their sign, product every term, take addition, subtraction, lacking term, and so on.
x square plus x plus 8 આવે.
Answer
Yes, ma'am.
x square. x square તો નહીં આવે because x cube મળે છે. જો તે કેન્સલ થાય છે, કેન્સલ તો નહીં થતું. look at થોડુંક ભૂલ લાગે છે, ચેક કર ફરીથી.
મેમ 2x ક્યુબ પ્લસ 3x સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ 11x પ્લસ 15 આવે.
11x નો આવે.
11x માં થોડીક ભૂલ છે. 11x નહીં આવતો. હજી થોડુંક કેક ભૂલ થઈ ગઈ છે. જો
ખાલી
પ્લસ
x
માઇનસ
આવશે.
ખાલી x આવશે. ચલો રાઈટ. So verify your question with this answer. Final answer is it is 2x
હા
cube.
મેમ આવી ગયો બરોબર.
બરોબર ને? Okay. It is 2x cube. It is 3x square plus x plus 8. This is your final answer. Plus 8? No. 4, 5, 15. Plus 8, 15. Okay, student, done. How many students got it? How many students have this answer? Write in chat box. I'm not audible to you. William? Hello, William. Yes, okay. That's mean yes, that's mean I'm audible to you, yeah, not.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So how many students got this answer? And in this form.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's say take other method. And no, first of all, you tell me addition, subtraction, and multiplication. I give you the one beautiful MCQ. Just tell me the answer if you understand the addition, multiplication, and subtraction. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, I speak loudly. Okay, done. Now tell me the answer. This is the one MCQ to you. And which option is true? Let's say solve to your question in MCQ form. Which option is true? Identify the correct option. And your question is, this is a polynomial P of X. And it is written like 3x square plus x in product x square plus 1 upon x. Okay, this is the question. And your option is, look the option and which option is true. A option is set P of x is not a polynomial. Second option says number B. P of x have 5 terms. Option C. Coefficient of pi cube. Okay, x है ना. The coefficient of x cube in P of X is 2. And the last option D, which is correct. The coefficient of X in this polynomial P of X is 3. So tell me, first of all, I give you the hint. First of all, product is 2 polynomial. Multiply these 2 polynomial and what happened, tell me. And which option is correct?
D.
D. Okay.
No.
I
no,
just
no,
mark it.
नहीं नहीं E नहीं.
Okay. Take a time. We have a time. I give you the 5 minutes. Okay. No need to hurry up. Just take a time. શાંતિથી ગણો. સૌથી પહેલા આ બધાનો પ્રોડક્ટ લઈ લો. મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશન કરો સિમ્પલ પોલિનોમિયલમાં. ઓકે, Lulu said C. Okay. I just mark it how many students say A, B, C, D. Okay. 1 second. One student said A. First of all, one question have a one answer. Okay, the only one option is true. Aishwarya said D is a true. Okay.
D जाओ.
So between Lulu and Aishwarya, one girl, one person is wrong. Who is? Karan said D is true. Okay, D get more what? Her Soham again said D. Okay, the many students say D. Aryan said again D. Okay. Five students said D. The one Calvin said A. Okay. Right. And જે સ્ટુડન્ટ આન્સર આવી ગયો એ પણ ચેક કરે. He and C is right, yeah, wrong, because the 3 options are available. One person say it is not a polynomial. I want the reason. So Calvin, tell me why the given term is not a polynomial.
Madam, because there in the x square plus 1 over x, that 1 over x excludes it from being a polymer, so you can't go further with the other terms.
Okay, right, for 100% right, but I think I want to remember you one step more. Look at, I told you the power is always positive, non-negative integer, but look at some example. There is no example. Your tutorial 1 is completed. Hello. Your topic is right, Calvin, but if I can expand this polynomial because this is not a polynomial. This is two term which is connect with the multiplication. So first of all, you can open it, you can simplify it. And if you have after giving the simplification, you have any power which is non-negative integer, then you can say it is not a polynomial. First of all, you don't see and give the answer. You just simplify it and then you say the answer, it is true or false. Okay, don't look and give the answer. First of all, you simplify because not it is not a single term. It is connect with the multiplication. So first of all, multiply, simplify, and then give answer. So look, चलो अभी मैं बता देती हूँ. This polynomial 3x square plus x, x square plus x. I can multiply. Look at here. This is your p of x. P of x is 3x square plus x. Again, what is next step? X square plus 1 upon x. Simplify it. That's mean open the bracket. Let's say I open this bracket. This 3x is multiplied by this full bracket. So how could I write? 3x square. This is x square plus 1 by x. Similarly, this x is multiplied by again this bracket. Let's this 3x multiply, put in this bracket, and this 3x is multiplied by every number of this given term. Power rule said x square into x square. It is 3x raised to 4. Plus this x is in denominator, so don't need to write. It is 3x square into 1 by x as it is. Plus this x square, x multiplied by x square, it is x cube. And again this x multiplied by 1 upon x. Look at the same number is cancelled. X to x cancelled. Here x have a power 2. It has a 1 power, 1 power cancelled. Remaining term is what? Your p of x is look like a 3x raised to 4. Here 1 cancel. It is 3x. It is x cube and plus 1. I can arrange in the ascending or descending order. 3x 4. X cube. 3x plus 1. And this is your polynomial. 3x raised to 4, x cube, 3x plus 1. Your answer is 3x raised to 4, 3x cube, sorry, x cube, x plus 1. This is the expansion. Now tell me, Calvin, this is the not a polynomial, is it?
It's a polynomial.
So the first option is not satisfied this condition. Second,
Yes.
second step said it have a 5 term. Count how many term it has. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. It has a 4th term. Okay, so this equation, sorry, this option is again not satisfied our polynomial term. Move on the third term, third option. Third option said the coefficient of the x cube is 2. So I focus on the coefficient of x cube, and this is your x cube. whose coefficient is 1, not a 2. So again, this polynomial is not satisfy our properties. Now remaining is last. So last is answer, hopefully. Look at the coefficient of x is 3. Look here, the coefficient of x is 3. So this is satisfied our condition. So our option D is right. Understand? So such type of question as right. So first of all, you have any operation between the polynomial, so then simplify, and after you can say its polynomial, yeah, not how many terms it has, which is power, what is the degree, and the coefficient. Okay. Okay, you got it? Any student have any question? So today we covered 3 topics: addition, subtraction, and multiplication. These 3 methods, these 3 operations be more practicing on your tutorial class. So don't worry if you have no idea about anything, the tutorial so now we meet in tutorial lectures. So ready for the present? Electrical student, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2. Number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 7. So electrical student, koi baki che? Done? So you can leave this meeting. You are free from today. Have a good day. Now the civil student, unmute yourself. Student of the civil class, unmute. Number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 2.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 3. 4, 5, 6. 6 number. 7, 8, 9, 8 present. Okay. 9 number. 10,
Present.
10 number.
Yes.
11,
Present.
12, 12 number. चलो कोई सिविल स्टूडेंट बाकी छे? Any civil student? Ah, you could leave. Electrical and civil student.
Ma'am, civil માં attendance
શું civil માં attendance?
લેવાઈ ગઈ.
હા હા સિવિલ ની લેવાઈ ગઈ. કેટલા નંબર છે તારા?
9, ma'am. 9.
ઓકે 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 ચલો લેવાઈ ગઈ. You can go.
6. Ma'am, civil 6.
Civil 6.
Ma'am,
Okay, done.
Electrical 7.
Electrical
Civil
7. Where you go? कहाँ थे तुम?
मैं लिख रहा
चलो
था
now.
मैम.
Madam,
Okay. Yes.
chemical 6.
अभी केमिकल बाकी है बच्चा. केमिकल बाकी है.
તો ભલે મેડમ નકર હું લખતો હતો ને મારું ધ્યાન નતું એટલે.
Okay. Good. चलो chemical student, unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Number one.
electrical.
Electrical, which number? 2. Let's move on the chemical student. Ha, okay, done. You can go, Vivek. Number 1, chemical student. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, number 4.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, number 5.
કોઈ નથી.
Okay, number 6.
Present, madam.
Okay, number 7. 7 number. Number 8.
Present, ma'am.
Number 9.
Present.
Okay. Number
Present.
10. Number 10.
Present, present, present.
Okay. Number 11. Who is? Okay. If you have a problem to speak, okay, network issue, you just put your attendance in chat box. I will collect from there. Okay, no worry. 12 number. 13.
Present.
12
Present,
number
ma'am.
present. Okay. 13 number present. Okay. 14 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 15 number.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 16.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 17. 18. 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
19.
20. Aha, done. 20. 21.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
20 and 21 both present. Okay. 22.
Present, ma'am.
22. Now any student is remaining?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the Pascal, Lilu, Williams, and you know what I'm telling to you, you are able to understand. If any query, please tell me.
Ma'am,
Another
leave for
student,
this
you could go. Okay, you can leave. Hello, student. Who's from the a not Indian student, NRI student, SI student have any problem in the topic, in this topic, the more practice we can do in the tutorial class. So don't need to worry about this. You just join the Google Classroom as soon as possible. Okay. Have a good day. Have fun. Enjoy.